Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to buy crypto directly from your bank account. Whether you are looking to buy Bitcoin, USDT, Ether, or other cryptocurrencies, I will walk you through the entire process in this video. I will cover everything you need to know, so make sure you watch until the end to avoid missing any important details. Now, I'm sure some of you are already aware that in certain countries, like Nigeria, you can buy cryptos using a debit card or credit card. Additionally, there are countries where P2P peer-to-peer transactions are available for purchasing crypto on apps like Binance and other crypto platforms. As of the time of making this video, Nigerians can use P2P to buy crypto on Binance and similar apps. But in this tutorial, I will show you how to buy crypto directly from your bank account. No need to use P2P if that's not your preference. The app I will be using for this tutorial is the Bitget app. Bitget is one of the top crypto trading apps in the world right now, and it is both safe and reliable. You can use it to trade, buy, sell, invest in crypto, and even earn passive income with crypto. There are many ways to make money with crypto on the Bitget app, but I will save that for another video. Now let's dive into the steps to buy crypto directly from your bank account. First, make sure you create a Bitget account using the link in the description of this video. This will ensure you get any available bonuses and rewards. After creating your account, download the Bitget app, install it, and log in. On the home screen of the app, you will see an option labeled P2P. If you don't see P2P on your app home screen, don't worry, simply click on more, and from there you will find the P2P option. Click on P2P to proceed. Once you click on the P2P option, it will take you to the P2P page on Bitget. The first thing you need to do is ensure that currency displayed matches your local currency. For example, if you are in Nigeria, make sure it shows NGNs. If you are in another country, make sure it displays your local currency. To verify or change the currency, click on the currency displayed. A list of local currencies will appear. Search for and select the currency of your country. For example, I'm in Nigeria, so I will leave it set to NGN. Click on it. Next, decide whether you want to buy or sell crypto. If you are buying, click on buy. If you are selling, click on sell to sell your crypto and receive money directly in your bank account. For this tutorial, I will demonstrate buying crypto, so I will click buy here. Once you click buy, you will see a list of cryptocurrency available. Click USDT here. You can choose from options like USDT, Bitcoin, Ether, USDC, and more. For this example, let's say I want to buy USDT. I will select USDT. After selecting the crypto you want to buy, the next step is to enter the amount in your local currency. Here is how. Click on the limit section with the drawdown arrow beside it. Enter the amount you want to spend in your local currency. For example, if I want to buy USDT worth 10,000 NGNs, I will type 10,000. If it is 50,000 or 100,000, enter the amount. For this example, I will go with 50,000 worth of USDT. Ensure the amount entered is in your local currency. Once you've entered the amount, click confirm. This will show you a list of traders offering USDT within your price range. The next step is to select your payment method. Click on method with the drawdown arrow. Choose your preferred options, all payments, bank transfers. For this example, I will select bank transfers as I am paying directly from my bank account. After selecting your payment method, you will be directed to the merchant ads section. Here is what you need to know. If you are a beginner, it is advisable to choose merchant ads to trade exclusively with verified merchants on Bitget. Verified merchants are safer and more reliable for new users. However, if you are already familiar with the P2P page, you can choose to trade with other users. Later in this video, I will explain how to identify trusted traders on the P2P platforms. For now, if you are beginners, I recommend clicking on merchant to stay on the safer side. Just click the button. Once you are on the merchant ad page, you will see a list of traders who meet your selected criteria, such as payment method and transaction range. Here is how to evaluate them. Check the number of orders and completion runs. Look at the trader names, the number of orders completed in the last 30 days, and their transaction completion percentage. For example, Trader 1 Team Vendor 648 orders in the last 30 days with a 100% complete rate. This indicates a reliable trader who is likely to release your crypto quickly. However, it shows as restricted, meaning you can't trade with them. This could be due to specific requirements not being met. And then Trader 2 King Spanner 4,337 orders in the last 30 days with a 100% completion rate as well. And then we can review the price per USDT. For example, Trader 2 is selling USDT for around 1,750. And then just check the availability. If a trader shows as restrictive, it means they have set specific requirements for trading and you don't meet them. Simply scrolling down to find another trader. Before selecting a trader, verify their available quantity and trading limits. Quantity available, ensuring the trader has enough crypto to match your transaction amount. For example, we can see Trader 2 here has 137 USDT available, and back to the Trader 1, it has 52 USDT available. And now let's find another one. For example, WRF, it has 1000 USDT available, which can accommodate your 50,000 transactions. And traders set minimum and maximum amounts for transactions. For instance, we can see that Trader 2 has a limit between 15,000 and 100,000. But since they only have 137 USDT, they could not fill a 50,000 purchase. And then back to the Trader 3, we look at before, which is WF with 1000 USDT available, is suitable for the transactions. So for this tutorial, I will trade with Trader 3, which is WF. They've completed 4,041 orders in the last 30 days with a 99% complete rate, which makes them highly reliable. They have enough USDT to accommodate my 50,000 transactions. To proceed, click on Binance to the trader's name. Once you feel selected a trader, the next step is to input the amount you want to spend. There are two ways to enter the amount. Using crypto, enter the exactly amount of crypto you want to buy, or using fiat, select fiat and enter the amount in your local currency. For this tutorial, I will input 5,000 since that is the amount I want to spend. If you are in another country, enter the equivalent amount in your local currency, and then set a payment method. Ensure the payment method is set to bank transfer. Important note, you have 15 minutes to complete the payment. Countdown timer at the top of the page will track this time. Double check the amount of USDT you will receive. For example, I will receive 4.3 USDT for 5,000 NGN. Check the advertiser note. Some traders include specific instructions. For example, they may ask you to drop your contact details or call their number if they don't respond within 2 minutes. Once you've reviewed and confirmed everything, click buy USDT. One of the advantages of the P2P platform is that you can buy crypto without any fees. Click buy to generate the order. You will see a timer begin counting down, giving you 15 minutes to make the payment. Before proceeding with the payment, confirm the following details: trading amount, ensure it matches what you entered, price per USDT, double check the rate, quantity of USDT, confirm the amount of crypto you will receive. Click next to view the seller's payment details. This includes bank account names, Binance account numbers. Open your bank app and transfer the specific amount to the sellers. For this tutorial, I will transfer 5,000. After transferring the money to return to the P2P page, click pay to notify the sellers that the payment has been made. Wait for the seller to verify the payment and release the crypto. Once the seller releases the crypto, you will receive a confirmation to check your crypto. Back to the homepage, click assets, and scrolling to the right, navigate to your funding wallet to see the crypto you've purchased. For this example, I can see now my USDT in the funding wallet. Whether or not you already use these cryptocurrency exchanges, I highly recommend signing up through the links in the video descriptions using the invitation codes or scanning the QR codes on the screen to register. By registering using the links below the video, you will be able to access the lowest cryptocurrency transaction fees globally. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, offers a spot trading fee of just 0.065% when you register through the link. Limit orders are charged 0.013% for future tradings and market orders at 0.0325%. Bitget is currently ranked among the top 4 global cryptocurrency exchanges. Registering with the link will give you a 50% discount on fees. Spot trading fees on Bitget are just 0.05%, while future trading fees are 0.01% for limit orders and 0.03% for market orders. KCEX is the exchange with the lowest fees globally, allowing you to trade without needing KYC and without network or VPN restriction. By signing up through the link, spot trading is completely free. You heard that right. Limit orders are also free for futures tradings, and market orders only cost 0.009% in fees after registering with my link. Bybit is ranked as so worldwide and offers a spot trading fees of 0.06% when you use the link to register. Limit orders cost 0.012% for future tradings, and market orders cost 0.033%. KCEX, the 5th largest cryptocurrency exchange globally, charges just 0.064% for limit orders and 0.08% for market orders on spot trades when you register via the link. Futures trading fee are 0.016% for limit orders and 0.04% for market orders. Don't just focus on the transaction fees. Registering through these links give you access to the lowest fees globally. This can save you a significant amount of money, indirectly boosting your profits, an extremely important advantage for all of us. That's it. You feel successfully completed a P2P transaction on Bitget with no fees and a simple process. It is an efficient way to buy and sell crypto. If you find this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Let's keep learning and see you in the next one.